I'm here for Masinga to support Muvuyo, colleague one to his memento, so we've decided to come and support Ubra, hands off Chelo Yunju, so we've decided to come and support
All right, Mfethu. So what does this event means to you?
This event means a lot to me.
All right, no, siyabulela kakhulu Masixole. We'll see you on stage. Thank you.